So same thing, our bhajan, our life and bhajan is nam and smaran. Anyone, whether Vaidhi Bhakti or Raganuga Bhakti, the basis is nam, but for the Raganuga Bhakti, there'll be also strong emphasis on smaran, nam and smaran, remembering Krishna's lilas, with or without the chanting of nam, but it's recommended by acharyas until the antakaran. Antakaran means the subtle body, the mind, intelligence, and consciousness is extremely pure. One should continue to chant the maha mantra along with his meditation on Krishna's form and qualities and nitya lilas. Jiva Goswami says this in Sandarbhas. Because meditation, just pure, only smarana meditation is very, very difficult for everyone in Kali Yuga, especially more difficult. So we require the steady and continuous purification of the mind and the pacification of the senses and mind, which the continuous chanting of Hare Krishna mantra brings us. But I'm inviting you or encouraging you to explore the different ways of chanting the Maha Mantra to see how and judge the effectiveness. Because now you're chanting in one particular way and seeing the effectiveness and benefit of that. So now if you try the way I'm suggesting of silent chanting, then you can judge a thing by its results. Phalam pariciyate. Prabhupada used to say that phrase, it's some Bengali phrase. You can judge something by its fruits. So you try manasik japa, and you'll see it's a real challenge, actually. It's a challenge, and especially men, they like challenges. It's a challenge to your ability to concentrate. It really tests your power. If you want to have test your powers of concentration and test your powers of attentiveness, then try chanting the Maha Mantra silently, without moving the lips.